My name is Tyler Mulcahy from Indiana. I started feeling like I was in a rut or needed a change in life. I heard about the NRVTA through my wife's aunt and uncle who have been traveling in an RV for the last year and a half. After hearing about the NRVTA, I researched it, looked into it more, and it seemed like a great place to go to get some really good hands-on experience in the RV space. So I've been here for the last 5 weeks. Started out with fundamentals, went into ACs, went to refrigerators, and then water heaters and furnaces, and now we're doing exteriors. I'm excited now that having gained all this knowledge, I can take this and it's going to allow me and my family to travel, and being a mobile RV tech will allow us to do that. If you're thinking about a career change or you want something different, the NRVTA is a great option. The hands-on experience alone is invaluable. If you're needing a change and looking for a new opportunity, come to the NRVTA. With the skills that I've learned, I'm now excited to start my business, which will give me the freedom to travel more with my family.